able to see the screen?
No.
No. Okay. Let's see. Screen. Let me try to redo it. How about now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Who's that? That said yes.
Nana.
Okay, cool. We're gonna do the number sentences, which we did previously. But before we do them, I know some of them we didn't do them because of time, but I just wanna know, do you guys remember how I said we do this? We're still gonna do it, but do you guys remember how I said we should do it? Okay. I'll take it that you don't remember, which is absolutely okay. So what we were doing here, we were verifying if the sentence or the number sentence that we are given here is true or false. And then after you've identified if it's true or false, you will then, if it's false, you will then make the number sentence correct, or you will turn it into true, okay? And I think we dealt with the first one where we added 8 with 5 and it gave us 13, and 10 plus 3 is 13. We said it's true and we didn't do anything because 13 is equals to 13. That is true, okay? And we then did D, which was false, because when we added 80 plus 70, we didn't get 100 plus 20. You see? So 80 plus 70 is equals to 150, and 100 plus 20. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. 100 plus 20 is 120. You see? Now you have 150, you also have 120. So you have 150 and 120, which both of them are not true. Okay? So now that means the statement or the number sentence is false. Then what you will do, you will turn it into true. And what we did is, remember they said we must keep the left hand side the same. Now you going to leave the left hand side the same. That means you are not going to change it. So that means when you are going to be rectifying the false number sentence that you're given here, you're going to start with 80 plus 70 is equals to whatever. So you're going to be 100 plus 50. This is what we did. Okay, now this one is correct because 80 plus 70 is 150. 100 plus 50 is 150 as well. So you see, now the number sentence is correct. Now you don't end here, but before I continue with it, are you guys following? Do you guys remember these things?
Yes.
Perfect. And now, okay, now, what did we do? We said, they said after rectifying the mistake, then write 2 more true number sentences. 2 more true number sentences with the same left hand side. So with the same left hand side, so they want you to write 2 more. So it's going to be 80 plus 70 is equals to, remember this is 150, ne? So now I'm gonna ask you which 2 numbers, when you add them together, they will give you 150.
120 and 130.
100 and what?
120 and 30.
Perfect. 120 plus 30. Perfect. And they want another one. So we're going to have 80 plus 70 again. They said you must keep the left-hand side the same. So you see, we have kept it here. We have kept it here as well. And we also have kept it here. So it's 80 plus 70 is equals to that. 80 plus 70 is equals to that. 80, meaning that in every number sentence that you see here, you're going to keep the side the same. I get it. This is our left hand side, and this is our right hand side. So after equals to is the right side, and then before the equals to sign, it's our left hand side. So now I'm gonna ask you again, what else or what number again can you add with another one for you to get 150?
110 and 40.
110 and 40. Perfect. Both of them, these two, when you add them together, they will give you 150 and 150, which make the statement now or the number sentence now true, because you're saying 150 is equals to 150 is true. 150 plus 150 is true. Okay, let's see. Okay, that's correct. Who was answering?
Nana.
Nana. Okay. Hosanna. Hosanna, are you able to unmute your mic?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
One low to hello.
Hello.
Okay, cool. It's Hosanna. Hosanna, how are you?
Good, and you?
Great. Are you understanding what we are doing here?
Yes.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna ask you questions after. You can mute your mic. And we have Blessing Jebison. Blessing, do you understand what we are doing here?
Yes, Miss. I'm Zoe.
Oh, Zoe. Okay, Zoe. I'll try to remember your name.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, cool. We also have Tokozo. Tokozo, do you understand what you're doing here? Tokozo, okay. Tato, we also have Tato. Tato, are you with us?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna share the screen again, and let's see. Remember, guys, you must keep your mic muted all the time to avoid. Mihle, keep your mic muted all the time, Sneh.
No
Okay,
problem, ma'am.
let me share my screen. Share my screen again, and oh no, I just want to get your name. Blessing said she's Zoe. Okay, I'll just try to not forget that. Okay, let me try to share the screen again. Let's see. I just wanted to get something from you guys. Okay, now let's look at letter what? Let's look at letter I. Let's look at I. I don't think we did I. What is 13 plus 7? I mean 13 minus 7, sorry guys. Hosanna, what is 13 minus 7?
6.
6. Okay, so I'm going to write your 6 here. And then now what is 20 minus 14?
7.
20 minus 14?
7.
Try to calculate it again.
6.
26. Perfect. Okay, now we have 6 and 6. Is this number sentence true or false? Is 6 equals to 6?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
No.
Perfect. Yes, 6 is equal to 6. So if you have let's say you have what? If you have let me see who's in here. So we have Hosanna, we also have Nana, ne? If Nana have 6 apples and Nana, oh no, if Hosanna have 6 apples and Nana also have 6 apples, they are all equal. They have the same number of apples, so they are equal. Their apples are equal. Do you guys get it? So 6 is equals to 6. Okay, if they give you a number and it is equals to that very same number, they are the same, or they look alike, or they're the same number, that means the statement is true, ne? It's only false if what you get here is not equals to what you get here. See, we got 6, we got 6. We together. Okay, so that means our I is true. And then let's try to look at let me try we did let's try what? Let's try E. Yeah, let's try E. Okay, let's see who's in here. Zoe, are you still there?
Yes, miss.
Okay, let's do E. What is 70 plus 50?
120.
120. Perfect. Now, what is 80 plus 50?
130.
130. So we have 120 is equals to 130. Is that true? Is 120 equals to 130?
No.
No. No.
No. So
No,
that means,
ma'am.
okay. So that means 130 is not equals to 120. So that means there is no, the statement is false, okay? So they
Yes,
said
ma'am.
when it's false, you need to make it correct or make it true if it is false, keeping the left hand side the same. Change the right hand side. Which side are we going to change? Are we going to change 70 plus 50, or are we going to change 80 plus 50?
80 plus 50.
80 plus 50. How many of you are saying 80 plus 50?
I am.
I
And
am.
you, okay, say your
I
name.
am, ma'am.
Say your names so I can know who and who.
Hosanna.
Hosanna, Nana,
Zoe.
Zoe,
Misha,
Misha,
Italy.
Mishali. Okay, cool. Yes. So the side that we're going to change is this one, 80. plus 50 because this is the right hand side and they said we must change the right hand side. Now, how can we make the statement true? 70 plus 50. How can we make the statement true? How can we make the statement true? How can we make Hosanna, how can we make the statement true?
We minus 130 with 120.
Wait. We do what?
We minus 130 and 120.
Which one are you doing? Letter what?
E.
E.
Yes.
And you say we are?
Letter E.
Yes, you said what are we going to, how are we going to make the statement true? 70 plus 50 is equal to?
120.
100. Remember when you are correcting the number sentence, you need to write two numbers. So you're going to correct this error they made here. 80 plus 50, okay? What can you add 80 with for you to get 120?
40.
Perfect. And that means here is going to be that plus that. So 70 plus 50 is equals to 80 plus 40, right? And then now that we got that out of the way, they said we must also write two true number sentences with the same left-hand side. True, guys, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, so they said that we must write two more number sentences with the same left-hand side. So now we need to write two more. How can we also write 70 plus 50? Which two numbers can you add together for you to get 120 beside 80 and 40? 80 plus 40.
110 and 110.
110, 110, and 10. Now, okay, before you do that, that's correct. But before we do it, I just want to indicate to you that you can also write 40 plus 80, okay? So because 40 plus 80 is not the same as 80 plus 40, but they are equal, okay? They are equal, but when you change the position, when you start with a 40 and then followed by that, in this case, you are still correct. So you are saying when you add 40 and 80. And then for this one, you said when you are adding 80 and 40. Okay. Now, somebody said 110 and 10. What else can we add together for us to get 120?
We must
60
add
plus
100.
Wait, guys. You say your name first.
Hosanna. 60 plus 60.
Hosanna, 60 plus 60. Okay. And who else the other one?
Zoe, 100 plus 20.
100 plus 20. Perfect, Zoe. And who else? Michelle? Which two numbers can we add for us to get 120?
Tato, 30 plus 60.
30 plus 60. Tato, 30 plus 60 is 90.
Mihle, I think ma'am is 110 plus 10.
Thank you, Miche. It was indicated there. And Tato, 30 plus 90 is equals to 120, ne? Not 60. 30 plus 60. Okay, cool. I want you guys to do another one here. I'm just gonna write it here. I just want to move to the next part, but before I do so, I just want to make sure that everybody's on the same page. So let's do 20 plus 80 is equals to 10 plus 10 plus 70. Cool. Yeah, let's do this one. Same rule, same everything, but just a different number. Okay, later. Let's say this one is K, mine is K. Now I'm going to ask you, which side are we going to change? Are we going to change 20 plus 80? Or are we going to change 10 plus 70?
10 plus
I think
70.
10 plus
Mihle,
70.
ma'am, 10 plus 70.
10 plus
Yes,
7.
ma'am.
Perfect.
10 plus 70.
And who's that? Is that Zoe?
Yes, miss.
Okay, and who else is saying 10 plus 70? Mihle, Nana, Zoe, and
Hosana.
And
Hosana,
Tato.
Tato. Okay, thank you guys. Okay, you are absolutely correct. We're going to change this side if the statement is false. Now I'm gonna ask you, is the statement the number sentence true or false?
False.
False. And why are you saying false?
Because they're not equal.
Because they are not equal. 20 plus 80 is 100. 10 plus 70 is 80, right? Okay. Now, how can we make sure that this sentence or this number sentence is true?
It's gonna be 20 equals 30 plus 70.
20 plus 80 is equals to 10 plus
90.
10 plus 90. Perfect, perfect, perfect. And who was that?
Tato.
Thank you, Tato. That's amazing. Okay, cool. So now this statement has been rectified by Tato. Now, the next thing that we're going to do, we're going to write two more truths or two more true number sentence. Okay. Let's give it to, okay, Tato did. Let's give it to Nana. Nana?
20 plus 80 equals 70 plus 30.
70 plus 30. I like the fact that you guys are mentioning 20 plus 80 is equals to whatever thing. That is absolutely amazing because the number sentence has to be having this equal sign that you see here. So you don't just give me the 30 plus 70 or 70 plus 30. I really, really like that. Okay, now thank you, Hosa. Was that Hosana? Oh, that was Nana, ne?
No, it was none.
Okay, cool. Now let's move to the second true number sentence. Zoe, what is it gonna be?
50 plus 50.
20 plus 80 is equals to 50 plus 50. Ne? Perfect. Hosanna. Hosanna. Another statement. True statement.
20 plus 80 equals 60 plus 40.
Thank you. 60 plus 40. Thank you, Hosanna. Hosanna, thank you. I'm actually proud of you guys. You guys mentioned this part, which is 20 plus 80. That shows you are not changing the left side. It means you are sticking to the left side. You are only changing the right side. I am loving this, guys. Let's see. I think we are done here. Okay. Let's see. There's something that I want to do. Okay, let me write another one because I see the truth here. Okay, let's try this one. 19 minus 30. Yeah, let's try this. Let's do F. But for F, I'm not gonna do it. I just want you guys to tell me what we're supposed to do more F. And then we're gonna move here. F, how are we gonna do the F? 19 minus 5 is equals to 20 minus 4. Is this statement true or false?
False.
False. And why is it false?
Because
They're not
19 minus
equal.
because 19 minus 5 equals 14 and 20 minus 6 equals 16.
Perfect. Thank you, Hosanna. Is that Hosanna?
No, it's total.
Oh, Tato. Thank you, Tato. Thank you, Tato. Thank you. Okay, cool. We have 14, which is not equal to 16. Now, what are we going to do here? Guys,
20 minus 6.
20 minus 6. What are you seeing here? What are you seeing
20
here,
plus
guys?
80.
20 plus 80. So I said that we are keeping this, the left hand side the same. So I'm expecting left hand side to be kept or to be said before you can say the changes that you've made on the right hand side.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Now do it. What is it gonna be?
14.
Yeah. Remember, you have to keep the left hand side the same and then make the changes. Whatever that you said is correct, but I need you to say it like I've written my answers here. 20 plus 80 is equals to 10 plus 70. How are we going to do this one?
19 minus 5 equals 22 minus 8.
19 minus 5 is equals to 22 minus 8. Did I hear you correct?
Yes.
Okay, cool, perfect. And 19 minus 5 is equals to 22 minus 8. That's Tato, right?
No.
Who is it?
Nana.
Okay. Khale disconnectile ke shumisa data ya ka no.
Okay.
Okay. 7.
Limited.
Guys, sorry. Are you guys able to hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so this is what you're supposed to do. I actually went there to check names, but I forgot to do though. 19 minus 5 is equal to 22 minus 8, and that's Nana. It's correct. Remember, you have to write the 19 minus 5 all the times because they said you must keep it the same, okay? You must keep it the same. Right, let's move to now doing 2 more true sentences, true number sentences. Let's see. There was Nana and then there was somebody else. Who was that? That was answering this one. Who was that? Was it Hosanna? Was it Tato?
Yes.
Okay. What's gonna be the next true number sentence from this 19 minus 5? Which two numbers can you add together or subtract and for you to get a 14, except for 22 minus 8?
Nineteen minus 5 equals 17 minus 2.
19 minus 5 equals to
17 minus 2.
17 minus 2. And who's this?
Hosanna.
Hosanna. Hosanna, it's going to be 17. Thank you, Hosanna. It's going to be 17 minus 3 because 17 minus 2 is equals to 15. So 17 minus 3 is equal to 14. Ne?
Yes.
But thank you so much. You did a great job there. Okay, cool. What's gonna be the last one? 19 minus 5 is equal to the last true number sentence. Remember, you can have a lot of numbers that you can add together for you to get 14, right? But I just want 2 from you guys. Guys, are you still there?
Yes.
Yeah, what is it gonna be? Misha, what is it gonna be?
19 minus 5
That's
is equal to 9 plus 5.
19 minus 5 is equals to that and that. Who was that?
Zoe.
Oh,
19
Zoe.
minus 5 is equal to 9 plus 5.
9 plus 5, and it's absolutely correct. Thank you, Zoe. Thank you, Zoe. Okay, cool. I think I don't think we're gonna have enough time to do this part. Number 6. Because I think we'll have to do it next time when we meet. What do you guys think? Because if we start it now, we're not gonna have enough time because there's another lesson. Um, So it's gonna be cut short. Okay, but let's just do this. Okay, let's just not do the whole thing, what's required here. But what I want you guys to do here is to tell me if whether the first number sentence that you're seeing there under 6, if it's true or false, then followed by B, C, D, E. Ne? So basically what we're going to do here is just to add 7 and 9 and also 10 and 6, and then whatever that we are getting, let me know if it's true or false. Okay, cool. Let me do this. 9 or 7 plus 9. How much is it going to be, Hosanna?
16.
16. Perfect. And 10 plus 6, Hosanna? 16.
16.
So we are having 16 and 16. Now I'm going to ask Nana, is this number sentence true or false?
True.
True. Perfect. Do we have somebody that thinks the statement is false?
No.
No. Perfect. And okay, let's move to wait. Let's move to what? Let's move to B. B says 13 plus 7 and also 15 plus 5. Let's have Tato to do it. Tato, what is 13 plus 7?
20.
20. And what is 15 plus 5?
20.
Okay, 20. So we are having 20 and 20. Now, Zoe, is 20 and 20 the same?
Yes.
Does this mean the statement is true or false? The number sentence is true or false?
True.
True. Now, do we have somebody that think the statement is true? Do we have
Yes.
and who's that?
Yes.
Anna, it is true.
Nana, true. Zoe, true. Who else?
It's true, ma'am.
Tato.
Tato, true.
Hosanna.
Hosanna, true.
Mihlali.
Mihlali, true. Okay, cool. Let's see. So it was Hosanna, Mihlali, Nana, Tato, Ntokozo. What about you? And who? And no, that's Zoe. Ntokozo, what about you? Mihlali. And Mihlali. Was it Mihlali or Mihle? Okay, cool. Ooh, no problem, guys. Oh, Gosiam. Move to C. C, we are having 19 minus 5 and 20 minus 6. 19 minus 5 and 20 minus 6. Now, Tato, what is it going to be? 19 minus 5?
It's gonna be 14.
14. Perfect. 14. Yes. Mihle, how much is it going to be? 20 minus 6?
14, ma'am.
14. Now, is this number sentence true or false?
True, ma'am.
True. Now,
True,
let's
ma'am.
Perfect. That's true. Thank you. Now let's move to D. D, we are having 5 plus 3 plus 6 is equals to 6 plus 5 plus 3. And by just looking at it, do you guys think the statement is true or false?
Mihle, ma'am, yes.
True.
True. And why are you guys saying it's true so fast?
Because, ma'am, left-hand side is equal to right-hand side.
Yes, you have 6, 6, 3, 3, 5, 5. Perfect. Now let's look at E. E says 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. And is this true or false?
True.
And true, why?
Because 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 24 equals 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24 also.
Okay, so it's 24 equals 24, and which make the statement also true. Okay, cool. Now let's read what they want from us here. Write each of the following number sentences in words in 3 different ways shown above, which is this way that you're seeing here. But that is what we're going to do the next time that we meet, probably on Wednesday. I'm not sure if we're having the lesson on Wednesday or Tuesday, but the timetable is there in the group that shows when we're going to attend our maths lesson. But from me, guys, to you, oh, before that, do we have any question?
Mr.
No,
Mem said
ma'am.
no.
No,
question.
ma'am.
No.
Okay, cool.
No.
If there's no question, then absolutely good. Now, from me to you guys, enjoy the rest of your evening and your weekend. I'll see you guys on, I don't know when. Just check the timetable
On Wednesday.
on Wednesday. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Thank you. I'll see you guys on Wednesday. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Guys, I enjoy talking to you, ne?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
We
Bye.
love you.